Welcome to the Osmometry simulation. In this simulation, you'll use an osmometer to determine the concentration of solutions of various body fluids using freezing point depression. The simulation begins by naming and stating the function of each part of an osmometer. Move the cursor over various parts to display information about that part. Select the Calibrate button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen to begin using the osmometer. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear after a brief delay. After completing a given step, the next instruction will shortly appear. After calibrating the osmometer, select the Test button to evaluate patient samples. The Restart button provides you with different samples. Make sure that you do not select this button until you have completed your evaluation of the current sample.